Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools every coder needs to boost their productivity and enhance their coding experience. Hey everyone, in this video, we'll explore 5 amazing AI tools that can take your coding skills to the next level. Let's get started. First tool is DeepCode AI. DeepCode AI is a company that develops tools powered by artificial intelligence AI to improve code quality for software developers. 1. Their main product is an AI-assisted code review service. 2. Here are some key things about DeepCode AI. Uses AI to find bugs and vulnerabilities. DeepCode AI's technology can analyze code written in various programming languages to identify potential bugs and security vulnerabilities. 4. Improves developer productivity. By automating some code review tasks, DeepCode AI can help developers save time and focus on more complex aspects of software development. 2. Acquired by SNYK. DeepCode AI is now part of SNYK, a company that specializes in software security. 2. AI-powered code review. DeepCode AI's technology goes beyond traditional static analysis tools. It utilizes a sophisticated AI engine trained on vast amounts of code and security data. This allows it to analyze code with deeper understanding of context and intent, not just syntax. The result? Uncovering a wider range of issues. DeepCode AI can detect a much broader spectrum of problems compared to traditional static analysis tools. This includes critical security vulnerabilities, logic errors, potential performance bottlenecks, and code smells that could indicate future issues. 2. Explaining the why behind the what. DeepCode AI doesn't just flag issues, it provides explanations for why they occur. This empowers developers to not only fix the problem, but also gain a deeper understanding of best practices. 2. Enhance developer productivity. DeepCode AI automates a significant portion of the code review process. This frees up developers' time from tedious tasks like spotting syntax errors and allows them to focus on more complex aspects of software development, like design and architecture. Integration with development workflows. DeepCode AI offers extensions for popular integrated development environments, IDEs like Visual Studio Code, allowing developers to seamlessly integrate code analysis into their workflow. This means they can receive feedback on their code as they write it, promoting a more proactive approach to quality. 5. Support for multiple programming languages. DeepCode AI's technology isn't limited to a single language. It can analyze code written in various programming languages commonly used today, including JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, and more. 3. DeepCode AI's approach has garnered recognition within the industry. In essence, DeepCode AI is a powerful tool that empowers developers to write cleaner, more secure, and more maintainable code. By leveraging AI, they are helping to streamline the development process and ultimately deliver higher quality software. Overall, DeepCode AI is a company that is using AI to make software development faster, more efficient, and more secure. The second tool is TabN. TabN functions as an AI assistant designed to streamline the coding process for developers. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Code analysis. As you write code and comments in your integrated development environment, TabN takes note of the characters you type. This includes both the characters in front of your cursor and any that have already been entered. Encryption and transmission. These snippets of code are then encrypted to ensure security. The encrypted data is transmitted to TabN's inference server, which can be located either on-premise for enterprise plans or on the cloud SaaS model. Machine learning magic. The inference server leverages a large language model, LLM, a powerful type of neural network trained on a massive dataset of open-source code. This LLM analyzes the encrypted code snippet to predict what might come next based on the patterns it has learned. Encrypted response. Using its understanding of coding patterns and your specific code base, the LLM generates potential code completions or suggestions. These suggestions are then encrypted again and sent back to your IDE plugin. In IDE recommendations, once the encrypted data returns to your IDE, it's decrypted and presented to you as suggestions right where you're coding. This allows you to see potential completions that fit the key points to remember. TabN operates locally, leaves your device in an unencrypted state. It personalizes its suggestions based on your coding, and its suggestions should be reviewed before blindly accepting them. The third tool is GitHub CoPilot. GitHub CoPilot is an AI-powered code completion tool designed to assist programmers by suggesting relevant code snippets and functions as they type. It's a collaborative effort between GitHub and OpenAI, aiming to boost developer productivity. Here's a breakdown of its functionality. Real-time code completion. CoPilot integrates with popular IDEs, integrated development environments, like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, NeoVim, and JetBrains IDEs. As you write code, CoPilot analyzes the context in real time, including comments and existing code. Contextual suggestions. Based on this analysis, CoPilot proposes code completions that fit the specific context you're working in. This could involve entire functions, lines of code, or even variable names, tailored to your coding style and the programming language being used. Multilingual support. CoPilot works with various programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go. This allows developers comfortable in these languages to leverage CoPilot's assistance across different projects. Learning and adapting. Over time, CoPilot can adapt to your individual coding style and preferences. By observing the code you write and the completions you accept, it personalizes its suggestions to better align with your approach. Beyond basic completion, CoPilot's capabilities extend beyond simple code completion. It can also assist with more complex tasks, like generating boilerplate code, suggesting relevant APIs, or even helping with unit tests. In essence, CoPilot acts as a virtual pair programmer, offering suggestions and potential solutions as you code. It can significantly improve developer efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and providing context-aware guidance. Here are some additional points to consider. GitHub CoPilot requires a subscription with options for individual developers and organizations. While CoPilot's suggestions are helpful, it's crucial for developers to understand and review the code before incorporating it into their projects. Some concerns exist regarding potential copyright issues with the code CoPilot generates, as it's trained on a massive dataset of public code. The fourth and last tool is Minfi. Minfi tackles the often tedious task of creating and managing software documentation by offering an AI-powered platform. Here's a breakdown of how it works. 1. Git integration. Minfi seamlessly integrates with your existing Git workflow. You can connect your code repository to Minfi, allowing it to access your code base for documentation creation. 2. Markdown magic. Minfi leverages Markdown, a popular text formatting language, as the foundation for your documentation. This makes the editing process familiar and accessible for developers. 3. Automatic doc generation optional. Minfi offers an AI feature called the AI Doc Writer. This writer analyzes your code base and comments, using that information to automatically generate draft documentation, including API references and code snippets. This can significantly reduce the time and effort required to create initial documentation. 4. Collaborative editing. Minfi allows your team to collaboratively edit and refine the documentation in real time. This ensures everyone is on the same page and keeps the documentation up to date with code changes. 5. Version control. Since Minfi connects to your Git repository, all documentation changes are version controlled. You can easily track edits, revert to previous versions, and see the history of your documentation alongside your code. 6. Stylish presentation. Minfi provides a customizable and modern user interface for your documentation. You can tailor the look and feel to match your brand or project's aesthetic. 7. Live previews. As you edit your docs in Markdown, Minfi offers a live preview feature, allowing you to see how the final documentation will appear to users. This ensures clarity and readability throughout the editing process. 8. Analytics and search. Minfi provides analytics to track user engagement with your documentation. You can see which sections are most visited and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, it integrates search functionality to allow users to easily find the information they need. Overall, Minfi streamlines the documentation process by offering features like AI-assisted generation, collaborative editing, and version control. It empowers developers to create well-structured, informative documents that can be easily accessed and understood by users. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 AI tools that can revolutionize your coding experience. Whether you're looking to debug faster, generate code snippets, or simply make your coding life easier, these tools have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coders. Also, let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try out, or if there's any other tool you think should have made the list. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends and tools. Thanks for watching and happy coding!